Okay, this video is going to be about this little apparatus I designed here to haul some leaves over to the other project, the leaf project. It's a real simple little device here, as you can see, and it's attached with two bolts, one right there and one right there. Most of the summer here I've been working on the sign project. There's some more of it right here. And the tar paper promotes sign experiment. That's made out of tar paper. It looks like it's holding up pretty good. And of course, this is my specially adapted trike with a extra big seat on it there. And then we got this step on here, folding step on here to make it more convenient and efficient to get on the trike. Very shortly, I want to get back on the online soul combine project. This is to me, the most important project. That and, well, state-of-the-art gospel outreach and systematic Bible study. And get back on this project, just mention it right here. It works just like systemically works like a regular grain combine. You know, where the grain comes in here and goes through the separator. It's a little different, but I wanted to get some experience running cameras before I attempted this project. Well, here's the leaf box right here. I made a couple years ago. I used to haul leaves back behind the fence. There's the leaf pile, but now we're going to haul them out to the other project, that urban beautification project at the end of the street. Okay, now we got some leaves raked into the leaf box. Now we're going to close it up and take it and put it on the back of the three-wheeler. Okay, we got the whole system all loaded up, the box on the back. There's all the rake to rake the leaves out and everything. Prop the box off. And you can see it's a little tail heavy right now, but it only takes a few pounds to push it down on the front wheel. We're just going down there, turn the corner down there, and the project is down there, so it's not that far. Okay, so here we are down the street. You know, we came down that way, down from the lab down there, just came around the corner down here. Here's the sign on the sidewalk. YouTube, light, neon rod, PBN, E-F-F-F-A-1. So this is where we're going to be unloading a bunch of leaves here, so that turn into decompose and make some dirt for the plants to grow. So here's how simple it is to disconnect this whole rig. Just this one little leash snap right there, and that eyelet right there, just unhooked out, and then we'll take the box off and prop it up on the guardrail. Okay, now so we got the box leaned up sitting on the guardrail, and it looks like just one prop stick is going to be all that's necessary. But as you can see, I anticipated having to use more, so you can see there's some holes over here and some holes over there. So if we needed to, we could put two prop sticks, but it looks like one of them is going to be perfectly adequate. So now we're going to go around. We got the rake. You see the rake, and now we got an extension, a piece of PVC pipe, and a twist lock right there on it. There's the rake, so we're going to go around the other side on the sidewalk and rake the leaves out onto the pile. So here we are on the back side. Now you may remember we started out, all this stuff over here, these logs and stuff, was in a big pile. It was actually covering all of the sidewalk here and all down through here and everything. We cleaned all that up. We put them over there. This way we got some height, so that when we plant the morning glory and stuff, you'll be able to see them. And there's the first load of leaves down here. Got the extension rake, got the box emptied right there. There's the twist extension, you know, for the extension on there. So you can see how simple and ergonomic it is. Like it says, Ecclesiastes 10:10, a dull axe acquires great strength. Be wise and sharpen the blade. So all down through here, all we do is rake those leaves. Right now, that's about all the leaves of God, just enough to test the equipment. But we'll go all down through here And this simple, methodical, actually I've been designing experimental airplanes and so forth like that for, well, ever since I was about 5 years old. My dad was a mechanical engineer, so research and development is our family thing, you know. So what I'm planning on doing, it's the same thing with the online soul combine. I believe that could be the greatest invention of the century. Anybody that wants to get in and have a lot of fun doing it, it's just like all the fun we had with the hang gliders back 50 years ago, back in the 80s. So you can see how simple it is right there. Got a procedure here for these leaves, and we're going to just proceed the same kind of simple, methodical way with the online soul combine project. As mentioned here on the video, this A1 stands for Annex Number 1, and of course the original seed farm is down there by the lab. But then if this works out here, then we can go all the way down along through here. Same process. Just taking yard waste and making it where we can plant flowers in there. So here we are. We got everything all packed up. As I said, you know, with the box on the back, it's kind of tail heavy, but when you get on, it only takes a few pounds to push the nose down. There's the rake extension and the prop stick in the box. Okay, so here we are back at the lab. Leaf piles in the backyard, and all we got to do is about another 20 or 30 trips like that. Get a stack of leaves out there, over there at the annex, about a couple feet deep. Now make about an inch worth of dirt, but just a matter of keep doing what we're doing. Oh, and by the way, I think today is Wednesday, September 20th. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video.